Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are taking a look at the InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal with power cord, a popular and dependable kitchen appliance designed to make food cleanup faster and more convenient. If you are tired of scraping food scraps into the trash and want an easier kitchen workflow, this model is definitely worth checking out. Let's get started. The first thing that makes the Badger 5 stand out is its reputation. InSinkErator has been one of the best-known names in garbage disposals for years, and the Badger series has become a go-to option for homeowners who want simple performance and dependable everyday use. This model features a 1.2 horsepower DuraDrive induction motor. That level of power is ideal for most households, giving enough strength to grind common food scraps efficiently without stepping into more expensive heavy-duty models. It is designed for everyday kitchen waste like vegetable scraps, small leftovers, and routine meal cleanup. The Badger 5 uses a continuous feed design. That means you can run water, switch it on, and continue adding food scraps while it operates. This is one of the most convenient styles of disposal because it makes cleanup faster and more natural during cooking or after meals. Another big advantage is the compact undersink design. Many kitchens need to maximize cabinet storage space, and this unit is built to fit easily beneath the sink while leaving room for cleaning supplies or other essentials. Its overall height is around 11.5 inches, making it practical for many standard installations. Installation is also designed to be easier thanks to InSinkErator's quick lock mounting system. For users replacing an older compatible unit, this can simplify the process significantly. The version with factory-installed power cord is especially convenient because it can reduce extra setup steps if you already have a disposal outlet under the sink. Durability matters with a disposal, and the Badger 5 uses rugged galvanized steel grind components built for regular use. It is not a premium ultra-quiet model with advanced insulation, but it focuses on straightforward reliability and value. In terms of daily use, this model is best suited for normal household kitchens. It handles common scraps well, but like most 1.2 HP units, it is smarter to avoid overloading it with very fibrous foods, large bones, grease, or excessive hard waste. Used properly, it should provide consistent performance. Noise levels are typical for a standard disposal in this class. It is not silent, but many users accept that trade-off because of the affordable price and proven design. If quiet operation is your top priority, premium models may suit you better. The Badger 5 also includes a manual reset overload protector, which can help if the motor is overloaded or jammed. That adds another layer of practicality for everyday ownership. Overall, the InSinkErator Badger 5 with power cord offers a strong balance of affordability, trusted reliability, and practical kitchen convenience. With a 1.2 HP motor, continuous feed operation, compact design, and easier installation, it remains one of the most popular garbage disposals for good reason. If you want a dependable garbage disposal for routine family kitchen use without overspending, the InSinkErator Badger 5 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.